Let's try a variety of dates. I have 9 dates here from different parts of the world, and during the month of Ramadan we usually break our fast with a date, so let's try out some of these different types and see what they taste like. First up, let's try Mazafati. This is from Iran, quite dark in color. It's soft and fleshy. So it's a bit sweet. It's not super sweet. I can see myself eating more than one of these. It's also white on the inside. Sagai. These are from Saudi and it's more of an elongated shape. It also has a bit of white at the bottom. Not as soft as the first one. Not as sweet, and it's giving more of an earthy flavor. I don't know why, it's kind of reminding me of the smell of a cigar, and it has more of a bite to it. Next up, Deglet. This is from Algeria, and it's much lighter in color, almost a bit see-through, and the skin seems very thin as well. This one is sweeter, but it doesn't really have that traditional date flavor. I think the flavor is kind of a mix between a date and a bit of caramel. I think maybe because it kind of looks like caramel, my brain is immediately going into that direction, but that's what it kind of reminds me of. Next up, Ajwa, and this one's from Saudi. This one is extremely dehydrated. It's hard. It's super dry. Kind of looks like a dried plum or even like a raisin. Okay, the outside layer is quite hard, but the inside is soft and gooey. It kind of reminds me of molasses. It's a dark, rich sweetness. And it's a lot chewier. Next, Medjool. This is from California. Okay, now this one's my favorite. It's not too small, it's not too large. It's also not too soft. It's also not too hard. And it's also really sweet. You know, it has a nice mixture between it having a bit of a bite but also gooey on the inside. To me, this is just that classic date flavor. How do you even explain what a date tastes like? I'm doing a video on dates and I don't even know how to explain the flavor of a date. What is that date flavor? Whoever knows how to properly explain it, leave it in the comments. But like, this is the classic date flavor for me. Next, Sukkari. This is an interesting color. It's almost bronze golden. It's also lighter at the bottom. It's quite soft, almost like the first one. It almost melts in your mouth. It's quite sweet. It's giving me this aftertaste. It's kind of giving me honey vibes. Wow, I don't even need to use my teeth. I'm just pressing it against the top of my mouth and it's melting. Next, Khudri. This one is a bit hard, elongated, dark brown. Kind of looks like a mini Medjool. It doesn't taste like Medjool. It's not as sweet. It kind of reminds me of Ajwa. You know, it's that dark, rich, molasses type sweetness. It's not as soft. It is a bit hard. Like, you have to chew this one. Okay, I don't know if it's because I'm eating a lot of dates, but this one tastes kind of spicy. Like, I'm feeling a bit of a kick in the center of my throat. Next, Safawi. This one kind of reminds me of the last one, but it's a bit harder, and the color is more of a darker brown. Okay, a lot chewier. It's not really sweet as compared to the other ones. So this is kind of giving me tamarind vibes. It just has maybe just a hint of that tartness. You know, it's a bit sweet, it's a bit tart. And the last one, we have fresh dates. I don't know where this is from exactly, but I'm sure a lot of places can grow fresh dates. Immediately drying my mouth. Oh my god. It's crunchy, a little bit sweet, kind of reminds me of an unripe pear. Yeah, but my mouth is just super dry right now. Coming into this, I knew Medjool was going to be my favorite. Well, I thought Medjool was going to be my favorite, but Ajwa is giving it a run for its money. Like, Ajwa had this nice, dark, rich molasses flavor. It had a bite on the outside, but it was gooey on the inside. So it's either Medjool or Ajwa. It's hard to choose. But definitely those are in my top 2. After that, I also like Sukkari. It almost melted in my mouth and it had a bit of a honey flavor to it. If you guys are fasting this month or you just love dates in general, let me know in the comments on which one you eat or which ones are your favorites.